Hello and welcome to Sylvan Mist Designs. Tonight we're going to go with a very light gray colored stone, and then in my palette we've got the titanium white, I've got royal fuchsia, cotton candy, and then I think I'm going to be doing some accents with the mermaid tail. Otherwise, everything is as usual. I'm just going to dive right into this one. Hope you enjoy. Okay, and with that, we're calling another piece done. This one, I will go ahead and tip that up again. I know sometimes these on the bottom are very hard to see, but I've got a couple little hearts down on the bottom, and then I top that off with just the silver. All right, well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you have made it this far, make sure that you stop, subscribe, and give it a like if you enjoy the content. Thank you so much for watching. You guys take care and have a fantastic day.